For this you're going to need a blender or a food processor. You can use a fork for this if you don't have either. Get about 1 punnet or 250 grams of strawberries. Just cut the tops off so we don't get the leaves. Now you can either puree this so it's nice and smooth, or just do it until it's just sort of roughly pureed and still got lumps. Now just pour that straight into either a bowl or some little jug or something. So it'll be fairly pureed but also have some chunks in it. Now for this, add 1/3 cup of chia seeds. I use black chia seeds. Very, very healthy. And 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup or maple syrup. Now just mix this through. Now don't worry if it seems really runny, because the chia seeds will absorb some of this and the whole mixture will thicken. Just get a jar or something to store it in and pour it straight in. And all you've got to do now is put this in the fridge to refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours before it's ready to use. This is so good, and use it as you normally would on things like toast and scones, or scones as it's also pronounced. Oh yeah.